And so let's just take that intention, that idea, that desire to be a benefit to all into this sacred time here together. And so we begin this sacred divine time by consciously focusing on what and who we are. Right here and right now, we engage with our lives with the presence of spirit that we are. And we allow that light, that love, that peace to flow through us. Connecting in spirit, we gently and effortlessly let go of all that has distracted us from the light and the love that we are right here and right now. Turning away from those thoughts, those feelings, those concerns, we instead call forth the light, the love, the presence that shines within us. In this moment, we choose to live our lives from a place of an awareness of that presence. With spirit as our co-creator, with spirit as our source, with spirit as our guide, we practice deep, critical, and curious self-reflection. We allow the presence of light and love to guide and direct us in the ways that we can be wise, we can be mindful, we can be aware of what our role is in transforming this world, of what our role is in transforming ourselves. And so as we move into this time of stillness, this time of peace, this time of divine communion, we allow spirit to illumine and guide how it is that we can bring more of the light that we are into this world. And so it is with that as our intention that we move now into the stillness. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this time, to this place, knowing that as we focus our light, our love, our peace in this moment, we bring about more of that peace into our world. And so it is for that presence of peace, of light, and of love in our lives that we are grateful. And so it is. Amen.